Hi everyone, I am Dr.A.Saravanakumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss a very important subject, retail management. So it's a common subject, so everyone know about the retail. So for example, what are things it will be included, marketing channel, right? So we will see one by one in detail. So what do you mean by retailing? Retailing is the business of selling goods and services to consumers either in stores or online. So retailing is the business of selling goods and services to consumers either in stores or online. If you're purchasing the goods, I mean that if you're purchasing the product, you can purchase through the retail stores like departmental stores or hypermarket or supermarket, or through online like Snapdeal, Amazon, right? Flipkart, like that. So it's different from wholesaling, which is the sale of goods in large quantities to business or institutions. In retailing, retailers buy goods in bulk from manufacturers or wholesalers, then repackage them and sell them in smaller quantities to consumer for a profit. Retailers buy goods in large quantities from wholesalers or directly from manufacturers, then sell those goods in smaller quantities to the end users. That is a retail. So I already said related to the marketing channel. If you're starting from the manufacturer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retailer, retailer to consumer. So it will reach to the finally consumers. So what is the definition of retailing? According to Cundiff and Still, retailing consists of those activities selling directly to ultimate consumers. According to William J. Stanton's, a retailer or retail store is a business enterprise which sells primarily to the ultimate consumers for non-business use. Because if you're starting that that petty shop, there is no rules and regulation for that. So you can start your own business, right? So according to McCarthy, retailing is selling to final consumer product to households. So what is the importance and scope of retailing? Service to the manufacturer and wholesalers. So specifically, we are saying that services to manufacturers and wholesalers. Help in distribution of goods, personal selling, enabling large-scale operations, collecting market information, help in promotion. So the major important in that help in distribution of goods. So what is the service to the manufacturer and wholesalers? Wholesalers, they are going to purchase in bulk. So always they need a product because the wholesaler to retailer. So wholesaler, they're selling the product to the retailer. So always to know the stock of goods, then only you have to, this manufacturer can distribute the goods to that wholesaler. Then personal selling, first you can create the awareness about the particular product. So you are going to that personal selling means the face-to-face contact or through social media. So to create the awareness about the product, then enable large-scale operations because it's not a simple one, manufacturer to wholesaler, wholesaler to retail to consumer. It's a marketing channel. It's not easy to reach to the customer. So it's a big large-scale operations because if you're having the warehouses, you're storing the goods and collecting market information. If you're going to start any retail stores, so first you can collect the information related to that particular area. Then help in promotion. So promotion is essential for the retailing because if you're going to promote any product through social media or word of mouth, word of mouth is the most powerful way of advertisement. Service to consumers, very important. Regular availability of products, new product information, convenience in buying, wide selection, after sales services, provide credit facilities. Regular availability of products because the consumer expecting every time, for example, if it is a kirana stores or if you're going to the shop, you can purchase any product. Its availability of product is very, very important. The new product information. So every day the technology, it will be updated every day. Then convenience in buying. So customers are expecting only that they're convenient to purchase the particular product. Then wide selection. So it's not a short span, I mean that short brand or like that. It's a wide selection. You are going to select your brand. And very important, after sales service. If you're purchasing any product, if you're using you are consuming the particular product, but after sales service only you know that value of the particular product. So after sales service, for example, if you're purchasing that two-wheeler or four-wheeler or laptop or refrigerator or any home appliances, anything. So their usage of the product, it will be reflected in that after sales service. And finally, provide credit facilities. It's very important for the consumers because without credit facility, the customers they are not able to buy the product. So we are going to provide the credit facilities to the consumers. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.